Welcome back, developers. In today's episode, we will walk through upgrading our Angular CLI to the latest and greatest Angular 17. Whether you are looking to tap into the new features or just keep up with the times, this tutorial has got you covered. Before we dive into the upgrade, let's ensure few things. First, back up your project, then commit any outstanding changes to your version control system, and check the Angular update guide outline for any additional pre-upgrade advice specific to your project. Start by upgrading Angular CLI globally on your machine. This makes the Angular 17 CLI available to all of your projects. So for that, type command npm install -g for global and type Angular /CLI 17.0.0. Okay. Make sure to add the @ sign here. Okay. Now press enter. So this should upgrade your CLI to the 17. Alright, it has been upgraded. Now let's quickly check the version if it is really updated. For that, type ng version again, and this time you can see we have Angular CLI 17.0.0. Now let's focus on your project. Navigate to your project directory and run the update command. For example, I have several projects. I will just go into this one, Angular 16, that is using the older version. So I will open it in my editor just to show you the files and things. So this is my project, and I will show you the package.json file just to show you that which libraries I am currently using. I am using 16 everywhere. Now run the command ng update Angular /CLI at 17 and then @Angular /core at 17 and press enter. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, we have to commit or stash any changes before updating. So let's clear everything. You can commit. I don't need these changes, so I will just get rid of these. Okay, so now run the same command again and press enter. One second, I made a mistake here. Instead of code, this should be core. You can see that the version has been updated in the package.json file. Now it is installing the dependencies. Alright, everything has been completed. Angular 17 may introduce breaking changes. It's crucial to read the release notes and modify your code according to any deprecations or updates. This is where the backup can be lifesaver. Test your application thoroughly. Look out for any deprecated APIs or features that you might have missed, and ensure all your functionalities work as expected. So let's quickly run this project in the browser. For that, I will just run ng serve -o. That will open it in the browser, and meanwhile I will show you this page. So this is very helpful page if you want to upgrade your Angular project to the latest one. This page can be very helpful. This is an official tool by the Angular that will give you the tasks or steps that you need to perform to upgrade. So here you will specify the version that you are currently using, and here you will select the desired version, and here you will specify that what is the complexity of your project. It is basic, medium, or advanced. And here you have to specify if you use ng upgrade, or if you use Angular material, if you use Windows or not. Once you have selected these things, then it will generate the steps for you that you need to perform one by one. So it's a good idea to read these steps and make sure to follow these as well. Okay, my Angular application is currently running without any problem. So if you just want to test out that things are currently working as expected, so let's copy paste this new syntax and try if it is working. So I already have the logged in property in my TS file. Let's see if it is really working. Yes, it is working perfectly fine. Let's change it to false. Everything is working as expected. Once you are confident that your application is running smoothly, commit your changes, and congratulations, you have successfully upgraded to Angular 17. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any future tutorials. Happy coding!